25th, 10th, 25th.
Chalo, now call on the special educators. Other matters.
May I please, Lord?
Updated report.
Yes, Lord. First of all, my apology. I was held up, Lord. Lord, we are basically concentrating on two states, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi, Lord.
No, my lord had said West Bengal today.
Also others.
Also West Bengal, also, my Lord. But there are only two,
But
three things.
let us start with Delhi and Uttar Pradesh because my Lord Justice Masi was there on the bench
Yes, my Lord.
earlier.
Lord, only one
UP, there is only one clarification.
Lord,
before my friend, only one small thing, Lord. This TET, for the purpose of special educator, has to be finalized by the RCI, which has never been done. So, really speaking, TET can't be imposed for special educator.
Some have to see that.
Yes, I can show that. Lord.
Lord, in West Bengal, the problem is 2000 until 2012, no TET for anybody at all. So any of these special educators appointed before 2012 will have to be grandfathered, number one. Number two is even till date, secondary teachers, no TET whatsoever. And that is also seen in the impugned reported judgment. Lord, the reported judgment, which is the foundation of these petitions, Lord, it is also recognized there. So my submission is, please grandfather TET for those who are appointed before 2012, and please do not say TET for secondary teachers, which is nowhere in the state. These are my two.
2012, there have been TETs conducted by the state.
Not in West
Not,
Bengal.
it can't be for special
Not in.
educator. Can't be because there has to be a special exam for Lord.
Not even once in West Bengal. I stand.
TET can't.
That has to be seen whether for the special educators.
That is, I'll show that.
different
Lord.
sort of TET.
The understanding.
No,
always
Lord,
is
for
that-
special educators, there was a special TET later on, but the special TET is synonymous with this RCI qualifications. Both of them are equal. What the bench said was there are special teachers who would also have to teach the general teachers when they have time. You need to economize resources. Those they said
My
TET.
friend should not argue something. If he state there is no TET, he should confine himself.
That is my.
There is no special
Yes.
TET anywhere.
There is no special TET, no TET also till 2012.
Lord, as far as West
Today, let us take up UP and Delhi.
Yes,
My lord, in respect
Lord,
of,
your lordship
am I audible, my lord?
was in the midst of West Bengal. Whatever your lordship wants, I don't mind.
My lord, am I audible, my lord? In respect
I
of
don't mind, my lord.
West Bengal, my lord.
Given some time to Uttar Pradesh and Delhi.
Lord, in fact,
Apart from TET, all other things are ready. On that issue, if your lordship...
UP, my Lord, they would.
Lord, in West Bengal, my Lord,
My lord, am I
the
audible, my lord?
petitioners also have the advantage of my learned friend. So whatever
Not
he
learned
says,
friend, we will bow down to your lordship's whatever wishes are.
Whichever state your lordship
We
wants.
will have to ascertain whether TET is a requisite qualification or not.
According to us, my lord, yes.
Not for special educators.
That is the problem.
Lord, yes, but
Has to
Lord,
be-
my learned friend says yes, but yes, after 2012.
It's not incongruous. There has to be uniformity across the country.
No, they
That's
have
the
to
main-
take a special examination.
No,
but
no, no,
TET
no,
is
no,
no.
just
Right to
not a
education.
qualifying examination.
TET is...
And if you don't have a TET for special educators, you can't have a general TET for this purpose. That's all.
That's-
Lord, that is
I'll
enough.
make that good.
Anyway, my lord, I will go according to your lordship's judgment. TET will relax the time for people to get TET. So the contract teachers will not be prejudiced at all. But
may I just
some
submit-
uniformity.
Lord,
One thing can be clarified today, my lord said, ask them to limit. They had put a cutoff date.
Am I audible, my lord?
I'll come to that. Let me start with the
Let's
UP first.
decide
My
whether-
lord, may I make
Bengal or
submission, my lord? Because
That I am
my lord,
going
in
to
respect
that
of West Bengal, my lord, not only West Bengal, my lord, according to the Right
this
to
will be-
Education Act, my lord,
Your
every
lordship should
teacher
start
ought
whichever
to...
state.
If my friend can be muted.
UP, I don't... No problem.
जो ये में virtual है जब बुलाएंगे तब
Before my Lord, I might just start just nothing to TET, but just one subject. On 4th November, Lordship had considered Kerala. We had appeared for some. And after hearing the Standing Council for State of Kerala, just one second. Lordship had made a specific order that nothing was done in Kerala, the submission. Lordship looked at it and said, file an affidavit by 31st January. Nothing has been done and no affidavit has been filed. Lordship, because they're taking it way too lightly. The only affidavit only says that this puts a lot of fiscal burden on us, therefore we can't do. Lordship, the specific order, Lordship said,
जरूरी है।
go ahead with the recruitment and file a 2-month agreement. They asked for long time, 4th November, 31st January. Nothing has been done and no affidavit has been filed.
Lord,
And
in
UP
West
also
Bengal,
signed
there are
affidavit.
West Bengal also. Let me start with the UP first now.
yes, Mr. Malhotra.
No, my lords, UP, there is only a single problem. TET, no issues. All these contractual teachers are TET qualified. So I will not. I'll in fact endorse that TET has to be there because there's a Government of India notification of 10th June 2022 reflected in the Lordship's order also that TET is one of the regulatory. So I will not come in way that TET should not be there. TET should be there, my lords.
Just one clarification. Whether
Yes.
this TET has to be on a special subject.
Yes.
With the special
No,
educators?
TET is meant for general educators, my lords, because they should know how to teach. So my contention, my submission would be, my lords, that for RCI qualified stroke eligible candidates who have TET qualification and those who are working as contractual teachers, as per your lordship order 7th March 2025, subject to screening committee, they should be first accommodated, my lord, on the priority. That's the order of your lordships of 7th of March.
And they have made an
Those who are not TET qualified, they should be subjected for TET examination and then subject to screening committee, my lords.
That part can be got over, Lord, because what they are doing because of the pendency of this matter, they are not doing that.
So I'll just cut it short,
appointment-
just to save lordship time. If lordship may kindly have just 2-3 dates and then refer to the concerned line in the affidavit of the UP first. UP says on 7th of September, yes.
UP affidavit.
7th September 2025, UP's affidavit about the data thing, my lords.
No, the investment.
So TT, I'm not coming against. It should be there, my lord, for general education purposes, my lord. That's a basic thing. 7 September 2025. Yes.
Anand, yes.
All
Anand
additional
Kumar-
affidavits now.
Anand Kumar Singh.
Now, if lordship may see, this is additional affidavit filed by one Anand Kumar Singh, Deputy Secretary. Just kindly note para number 2. The sentence starting from that as had been stated in the previous affidavit. Lordship got that? Para number 2. Justice Masi has got para number 2. Dated 26/8/25 for effective implementation of inclusive education so-and-so. A total of 5352 posts of special teachers has been identified as been required. So Lordship may mark this figure. Total number of sanctioned posts even as per my chart is 5352. Now, as per the other affidavits filed, Lordship may just mark this figure. Contractual teachers working in the state of UP is 2252. Lordship may just mark those this figure, my lords.
152 काम कर रहे हैं.
Now, Lordship may kindly have the second affidavit of 16 November 2025 of state of UP. Subsequent affidavit. So 5352 total sanction post. Contractual teachers working is 2252. Now, in the second subsequent affidavit, 16th November 2025, Lordship may come to page 5, annexure A1. What they say is, my lords, in annexure A1, that out of this 2252 contractual teachers, if Lordship may see para 1 itself, annexure A1, in compliance with the order of 7th March 2025 in so-and-so, according to the information received from 61 districts in the sequence of decisions taken by the committee in the minutes of meeting of the constituted screening committee of 8/10/2025, there are 443 special educators with TET qualification. So they recognize that these 443 are TET qualified stroke RCI eligible teachers. What they do is, my lords, in the subsequent, if Lordship sees subsequent pages, they want verification of the documents. Now, for that, they are seeking time for last, say, about 6 or 7 months, because this affidavit is filed way back on 16th of November. We are in February 2026, my lords. So, for verification purposes, they should not take that much of time. And these 443 teachers who are qualified stroke TET passed out, they should be given the first priority as per the 7th March order, my lords. That's point number 1. Now, Lordship may kindly see, what about the remaining teachers? That is, out of 2252, 443, they say they're subject to verification, though they are TET passed out and RCI qualified. If Lordship may see page 7 of 7th September affidavit, of early affidavit again, my lords.
यही तो चाहिए मेन.
Page 7 of the first affidavit, which I just pointed out. Kindly come to page 7 and kindly see last paragraph, second last paragraph, page 7. Sentence starting from for special teachers working on contractual stroke daily wages, maximum age limit of 60 years till the date of conducting the examination will be allowed for participation in special teacher eligibility test. That is, they call it STET there, my lords. In the teacher eligibility test, special teachers passing marks for so and so will be 45 and 40. Such special educators who do not have their teacher eligibility test qualification will be required to pass the special teacher eligibility test conducted by state government. For this, special educators will get maximum 4 opportunities. STET will be conducted twice in a year. Second STET will be conducted 6 months. So therefore, till date, not a single STET has been conducted. So one more action I would require from Lordship is to direct the state to conduct this STET for the remaining contractual teachers minus 443.
443 should be.
So first 443 should be given appointment months as per 7th of March order because they are qualified, passed out TET, and they are working for a good amount of years, my lords. And this remaining, they should be subjected to obviously STET examination, for which the state wants timelines. They say within 1 year will conduct 2 examinations, not a single examination can be conducted. These 2 directions is confined to state of UP. That's what I want to say about UP. And just one more thing, just one more thing. If your Lordship may see in the same page, kindly come.
Just one.
I'm sorry.
जज आपस में बात करने पूरा जियो रखा गया इनके सामने कि यो है यो है। चलो यूपी बात कुछ ना कुछ तो फैसला आ ही जाएगा। बोल रहा तो बंद हो गया ना, बंद करा। जज आपस में वो कर रहे हैं ना मंत्रणा।
Central teachers eligibility test, central government, which is conducted by central government.
Then the
So
normal-
state can also conduct central government.
Regular.
No, well,
Especially Delhi has central.
Very well. Next question is, for primary students and upper primary students,
Yes.
is the level of the test the same?
no, my lord.
This level is different, my lords, because primary level the teachers will be confined to 6th to 8th.
So you say these 443 contractual teachers
Yes, my lords.
who have TET qualification should be regularized.
Yes.
They will be regularized for which one? Primary, upper primary?
That depends.
That
If they have,
depends on
if they are given primary TET, they will be just for 6th to 8th class. Secondary from 9 to 12 class. That would be state's screening committee's prerogative, my lords.
They have vacancies just when
In
it.
fact, what they are working as contractor teachers, as against that, subject to qualification, they would be accommodated. my
The
lords.
state has around 5,000 vacancies. We are around 300 people. We can also come in this category only for just one reason, my lords. My lords had asked the state to file an affidavit. They had put a cutoff date on 7th of September.
I'm just coming to that, if my friend permit me.
Very well.
That's the last permission. Lord. Now, Lordship, on the same affidavit of 16 November 25, kindly come to the last paragraph. Lordship, I observed last time also, page 9, para 7. My friend Rana Mukherjee, in fact, did say that this cutoff date is not warranted actually. Kindly see page 9, para 7 of 16 November 25 affidavit.
जूनियर में
Page 16th November,
25, the second affidavit. With,
that ends at para 7.
yes, that's para 7 I want to read.
Para 7 is page 4.
No, it is running page 9
No, he's
of the annexure. of the
affidavit.
annex-
He's reading
of
a
the-
document along with the affidavit.
I'm sorry, that's the annexure A1.
Annexure A1.
Internal page 9.
Internal page 9.
Yeah, it's in Hindi.
It's 7 September. I'm sorry, it's a 7 September affidavit. My apologies.
7 September.
कंफ्यूज हो गया बेचारा माइकस भी।
Page 9, para 7.
Page 9, para 7.
No, Lordship noted last time also, the above benefits will be admissible only to such personals who are working on contractual store daily wages in the department till 20th February 2016, the date of filing institutional rate petition number so and so. So this artificial cutoff date was not called for. My friend did say that this is Lordship's prerogative because there was never an issue of this cutoff date of 20th February 2016 when the rate petitions were filed. Because 7th March 25 order says that those who are working till date, they have to be accommodated subject to eligibility. So this date has to go, my lords.
No, after this, let me just complete. After this, there was an order of my lords on 18th of November. So my lord specifically asked them, so they have again further filed an affidavit, which is on 23rd of November 25. Where in the para 11, they have specifically said, we are ready to abide by any order passed by.
Yes.
Where is that affidavit?
Yes,
That is 23rd, my lords may see. In my IA, we have just put it.
No, it's there 23rd November.
Yes. Please have a look at 23rd November, para 11.
Oh. No, they said ready by abide by the para 11. Take out that, na? So this can be taken care of today itself. Man.
Para 11, would my lords, we just have a look.
Yeah, para 11.
Yes.
Internal page 9.
My lords have that? Before that, my lords want to have a look at my lords order also 18th of November, where my lords had asked them to file a further affidavit. I'll read in this, we have the submission of the state of UP is that the above date was fixed. I'm so sorry, my lords, just to reply as it. Yeah. State of the above date was fixed in the absence of any direction prescribing any cutoff date in any order judgment rendered by this, and in case this honorable court makes any suitable direction fixing another cutoff date, the state of UP shall act accordingly. So my respectful submission is 3rd of September. My lord's order was there was no cutoff date, my lords. So this 20th of February they got it because of the first order judgment of this honorable court. So they said they're ready, and my lords, we are around 300 of us. We have all the TET qualification, RCA, we have everything. So if this date goes, my lords, we can also be accommodated. There are already 5,000 vacancies, my lords. We are only 300 of us, my lords.
So to Lord submit up, TET can be appointed straight away. Otherwise, STET
We can be asked for a screening, my lords. We have all the qualification.
443, right?
Yes.
Plus 300.
My lords, 300 of us, my lords. Those who were not called for screening.
443, my lord.
Cutoff date.
Yeah,
You
440.
have TT.
We have TET, everything, my lords.
But 443 are TET as per the
You
affidavit.
are included in 443.
That's what we are not. No, you are not right. We are not included in this 443 for the reason we were not called for screening because of this artificial cutoff date.
Cutoff
which
date.
was- Yes.
Of 16.
So we are around 300.
So it's 443 plus 300.
300, yes.
Okay.
So your lordship then specify a date now and say all TET qualified can be appointed and rest can be taken, not
We can be
STET.
called for a screening. We have all the
Lordship,
qualifications.
I use TET passed, RCI qualified.
Yes, we have both the qualifications. TET and RCA both.
RCI everybody has.
RCI qualified, TET passed.
There may be an advertisement to that effect, my lord. Those who qualify RCI and the TET, they may lordship not give their.
They don't need to advertisement, my lord. They are already
Screening
employees.
committee is meant for that only.
Screening committee is meant for that, my lord.
STET.
7th March order.
STET
But there's one.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो निकलवा दे यो कह रहा सभी पदों पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट निकलना चाहिए मतलब वो विज्ञप्ति
Well, sir, other.
But you are appear.
Well, sir, for UP only, my lord.
Our affidavit of 23rd.
No, first thing first, 443.
Mr. Grover, secretary one minute. Give me some space.
443. You have stated in your affidavit.
Yes, madam.
They have TT.
They have TET.
So when can you complete the verification?
Anytime. I'll tell you, Lordship, why this confusion happened because the subsequent order, after our affidavit, 25th was the order where your Lordship noted that TET in Rajesh Pandey itself was the essential qualification. Now, your Lordship called for reports from NCT. Those I don't think have come as yet. Ms. Bobde was appearing for, I think, Delhi also. And then, nevertheless, my lords, we are willing to, that cutoff date I had also submitted that was fixed.
Cutoff date we have seen.
Yes. So, we'll do
Tell
it.
us for 443, how soon can you complete the verification?
Where screening
Yeah.
is already done.
Screening is done. They are
Already
on
done.
contract
We need
in
to
any
just issue
case.
the letters.
No, letters still we'll have to verify. So Lordship will give us about 2 or 3 weeks time. 443.
yes, 2 weeks.
We will just spread across districts, my lords. It will take some time.
Give you 3 weeks time
Yes, my lords.
to complete the process of verification and thereafter
appointment.
Without insisting on the cutoff date, my lords.
Appoint.
That will make
So
it
that is before
cutoff
cutoff.
date will not be applicable to anyone.
Yes, that should be.
just 1 minute.
Can we hold that? Cutoff date will not be applicable to anyone in view of your affidavit.
So in that case,
Yes, in view of the last paragraph which says that we
Last
leave it to the court. We leave it to the wisdom of the
Cutoff
court.
date, it will be
Yes.
done away with.
And that TET.
Now, just second
yes,
point.
Second.
There are 300 candidates represented by Mr. Rahul Kaushik.
Yes.
You can also examine their claims.
There may be more.
There may be other persons who are not represented by Mr. Kaushik. For them, you issue a notification and call upon them to come with their credentials.
And verification.
verify.
Then that will take longer. 443 will
No,
complete.
that is timeline. 43 is within 3 weeks.
Yes.
300 plus another, say 300.
That's all.
We'll give you further time. Do it within 8 weeks.
8 weeks. No difficulty.
And STET, your lordship can say for the best, for the rest. Casual appointees working, STET be held within that timeline.
Within a month, because already no exam in 1 year.
You can publish the notification within a week, calling upon other candidates who have TET qualifications.
RCI.
And RCI.
All other qualifications for the.
Lordship may use the word RCI qualified and TET passed.
Lordship will notice
Qualification RCI, TET has to be
RCI qualified
and TET passed.
No, so Lordship will also keep this in mind. Manoj, 61 districts you have said in our affidavit.
Just one.
So that's
Mr.
spread over.
Kaushik, your clients have RCI?
Yes, my lords. My
All of them have, my lords.
In any maturity, screening committee has to
Then
screen.
tell us, Mr. Mukherjee, how soon can you do it? Notification within 1 week,
2 weeks, Manoj, because across districts. So that's the whole problem.
2 weeks.
Notification has to be one only.
One
No, for the
notification.
rest, you have to segregate
papers.
who are.
No, you just publish a notification saying that those who are TET passed and RCI qualified
Can.
and they are working on contractual basis.
Yes.
Can apply.
Credentials will be examined. For that purpose, you notify an officer
Yes.
who would be, you have
Mr. Gopalwani, I can't hear.
No, there's a screening committee formed.
total 61 districts you may have.
Well, there is already screening committee.
For a particular district, appoint a nodal officer who will be looking into all these.
May I just submit?
Total-
7th March order said a screening committee formed for this purpose only. Consisting of state commissioner, secretary education and nominee of RCI.
Then they will appear.
7th March order has the details. Yes, as per the screening committee's verification. 7th March order may be seen.
And other,
What you say? All districts.
Not one nodal officer, 3 members.
all 75 districts.
3 हफ्ते में स्क्रीनिंग का रिजल्ट देने का ऑर्डर दे दिया.
And the third part will be brought other RCI qualified,
After this, Manoj. STET,
other.
STET after this process is over.
That's what I'm saying.
We'll conduct.
So that can also be done cyber. Why wait?
Commission can be conducted, already delayed.
Have it,
It was to be twice in a year.
STET.
For the other casual workers not who are working with RCI qualification, let them do an ST
For
within
others
6
who are
months.
not
6 months.
qualified, when can you do it?
6 months, my lord.
It was to be twice in a year. They have not done as yet. So at least within 1 month they can conduct the examination.
He says 6
Have
months.
to start.
No, so therefore 6 months, my learned friend's suggestion is quite fair. He says
Let it
6
be.
months we can do the STET
Yes,
for
yes.
the people
you
who.
should have
6
done
months
it.
would be too much.
No, we were waiting because that confusion of the.
No, let it be a direction, Lord. Otherwise,
I'm not taking advantage of anything.
Very well.
It's just that.
But 6 months will be too far fetched.
मुल्क मांग रहा है स्टेट कराने को वकीलियों यूपी का. ये कह रहा है 1 महीने के अंदर अमाइकस सुतरा 6 महीने.
See, so people wait for an order. Nobody wants to take it on their head, Manoj.
In fact, my instructions are with the clients are also that even their documents are also verified, but because of the cutoff date, they were not doing anything.
टैट निकाल लो. बताऊं आपको मिलेगा एक और स्क्रीनिंग होगी टैट वालों की जो छूट गए हैं ना. उनकी एक और स्क्रीनिंग होगी. 300 संख्या बता रहे पर फिर तो तुम उसमें जुड़ जाओगे जैसे तैसे करके तो भर ही दोगे वो तो डिटेल.
State of
Uttar Pradesh has filed 3 affidavits.
My lord, there is one last submission, my lords. Before, my lords, if the STET takes long time, my lords, we are giving a pittance amount. So minimum pay scale may be given, my lords. Minimum wages of the my lords.
Let them verify that you are qualified, sir.
No, my lords, we are, my lords, RCI qualified. We are RCI qualified. And we are working for 15 to 20 years.
STET they have not conducted. So
STET, no, my lord, we are given a pittance, my lords.
No, not now. 7th September, 16th November, and 23rd November 2025. It is gathered from such affidavits that there are 443 candidates who have qualified in the TET examination. Their qualifications, however, need to be verified by the screening committee,
if not verified, because according to us it is verified.
which was directed to be constituted in terms of the previous order dated 7th March 2025.
Read with the
We grant liberty to all such 443 TET qualified candidates to present their credentials before whom? Who would be the
screening committee?
Screening
Before
committee
the screening
constituted by the state.
each district?
The central
One state level.
One. Before the state level screening committee, which has since been constituted
तो हो गया जो जज करने को कह रहा है
within a period of 2 weeks from date.
2 weeks
Upon
from
such
date.
presentation of credentials, the screening committee shall proceed to verify the same and make appropriate recommendation to the state government for the purpose of appointment of these 443 candidates on the post of special educators. Stop. In the event any candidate is not found qualified, the screening committee may briefly indicate the reason therefor. Stop. Next. There are 300 candidates, around 300 candidates represented by Mr. Rahul Kaushik, senior advocate. Candidates who have been
On source basis, they were actually on our.
just 1 minute. There are 300 candidates whose names have been espoused by Mr. Rahul Kaushik, senior advocate. He claims that all these 300 candidates have TET qualification. However, in view of the decision of the state government that those who have been working on contractual daily wages in the department till 20th February 2016 would be considered, the claims of such 300 candidates have not yet been considered. Stop. Para. We have looked into the recent affidavit dated 23rd November 2025, wherein the state of Uttar Pradesh has fairly left to the discretion of the court in regard to the imposition of the cut-off date. It was averred therein that such cut-off date had been imposed in the absence of any direction given in any order / judgment rendered by this court. Stop. We, however, considered that all such candidates, whether they have been appointed prior to 20th February 2016 or post 20th February 2016, but however,
22 फरवरी से
meeting
पहले
the
इसको काम निपट
suitability
जाएगा
for appointment as special educators must be considered by doing away with such cut-off date. We therefore direct the state of Uttar Pradesh to publish a notice in a vernacular daily having wide circulation, whereby candidates possessing TET qualification as well as qualification prescribed by the Rehabilitation Council of India to apply before the screening committee by a particular date for the purpose of verification of their credentials. The state is granted liberty to indicate a date by which, particular date by which the application should be received, failing which no other application shall be entertained. Stop. We grant the screening committee time of 4 months from the last date of receipt of applications.
4 weeks, Lord. Screening committee should not take 4 months. Screening committee.
No, we do not know. 300 plus how many will come?
People will come.
Some are represented by me also, Lord. So,
Acha, we do not know how many will.
So, Lordship is expeditiously, but don't say 4 months. 4 months, they will just sit over it for 4 months.
Can you do it for 8 weeks? 2 months?
Screening committee.
Instead of 4 months?
After
After the last date, from the last date, you have another 2 months.
Yes.
I think that should be fair.
That should be fine.
We are actually appointed through contract. It doesn't matter if we have all the conditions, we have been contract.
Should give us the liberty to
qualify
2 months. 2 months. In the event the screening committee faces any difficulty, it shall be at liberty to mention for extension.
Lordship
So great.
may qualify.
As far as holding of STAT is concerned,
Yes.
we direct the state of Uttar Pradesh to conduct such examination within a period of 6 months from now.
Lordship can make it 2 or
Lordship
3.
may qualify represented by through Rahul Kaushik and other councils, Lord, because that
300 plus.
because that will not.
In excess of 300. In excess of 300, whose claims have been voiced by Mr. Rahul Kaushik, Senior Counsel, and जो काउंसिल है उनका नाम दे दीजिए.
Anand Nandan and others.
So far as STAT is concerned, we are saying that within 6 months it will be held.
Deep Blue.
So these are the directions that take care of
UP would-
this.
My lords, make me.
Your Lordship may come to Delhi now.
Dr. Singhvi, what is your
My lord, they have been working for last, my lords, 15 to
So
20
you are asking for money.
minimum wages.
Please.
And my lords, STAT, my lords, let it be not 6 months, let it be by, my lords, may keep it by May, my lords, last week of May, my lords.
First
We'll come to know what they are doing for STAT, my lords. 6 months, they will again 6 months time, my lords. So my lords, may keep it till May, my lords. What process they have done, my lords?
मई में कह रहे हैं आप. इसमें तो बोरिया भी
My lords may be held by May, my lords. Because otherwise, my lords, 6 months,
Not over.
they will again take time, my lords. May will be 4 months, my lords.
Let us not.
4 महीने कह रहे हैं आप.
Your Lordship may come to Delhi now.
For such a big,
Save-
it is the largest state in India. Right? 6 months time we should give. Yes, now Delhi.
Delhi. Just one thing in there. This won't get over then. Otherwise.
Apologies.
Nahi, Uttar Pradesh, if he wants to say something.
Lordship, for state of Uttar Pradesh, this 443 number, I'm instructed by my interveners, clients, that these are for primary teachers from class 1 to 8. And there are also teachers from secondary, class 9 to 12, who are also interveners here. For them, there needs to be a process as well.
No, we have said 443 as indicated in the affidavit.
Yes, yes.
They will be considered.
Yes.
If you are not within part of 443, they are going to publish an advertisement. You apply,
Yes. But
you take that chance.
But Your Lordship, I just wanted to point out this 443 is for primary teachers from class
Whatever,
1.
if they have qualifications for
there are
primary, it is for the screening committee to recommend. We have also indicated
There are
that.
also for secondary teachers who are there.
We do not know. 443 may include secondary, upper primary, primary. So whatever qualification they have, screening committee will look into it and make a recommendation to the state.
We'll apply it.
And so far as you are concerned, you can apply pursuant to the notice.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Obliged.
Now Delhi.
Number Delhi has a limited issue according to me, my lords. If Lordship may kindly have, just Lordship may note these 2-3 figures instead of calling for the affidavit. What Delhi says is they have 1443 RCA eligible active contractual teachers working. 1443. 1443 RCA eligible active contractual teachers already working.
Eligible
स्क्रीनिंग नहीं कराई.
Contractual teachers.
फरवरी वो
That's the affidavit of 14th October 2025.
अब 2 महीने उन्हें
What-
दिए जाएंगे.
October 2025
Yes.
affidavit.
Now, what they say is that apart from this 1443, they have conducted TET examination for 945 special teachers.
महीने से पहले करवा सकें. 6 महीने से पहले करा सकें. कल को करवा दें. कल को करवा दें. हो सके करवा दें जल्दी.
My only concern is Lordship may now kindly have the 26 August 2025 affidavit filed by Delhi government. That's my basic concern, my lords.
टेस्ट जरूरी है करवाना.
If Lordship may have 26 August 2025 affidavit, just one page, page 11, para 10.
एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट और निकालने कह दे कि उस पे फॉर्म फिल करवाओ.
अभी आता हूँ.
अरे फॉर्म तो फिल होया है
No, Lordship may come straight to page 11.
Who is SCT?
SCT is special educators, special education teachers.
SCT is special education.
Now, if Lordship may see para 10,
उसके स्टेट के स्टेट
last 3 lines.
स्क्रीनिंग
Further, in the said meeting, it was decided so concluded that SETs working as contractual stroke guest on daily wage basis shall remain as contractual. Now, this is contrary to a Lordship order of 7th March, which says that if they are eligible,
They should be considered.
yes, as appointed also. What will happen is that the moment they fill up 945 as a fresh examinee, they will take away the vacant post from this 1443, and then they can be terminated at any stretch of time, my lords. Because since they won't be regularized, they won't be appointed permanently. So if the screening committee finds them to be RCA eligible and TET qualified, they cannot be terminated per se like this on a contractual basis. What they say is on affidavit.
This is the first direction you are seeking.
Yes, that this
Considered by the screening committee
and this should be satisfied.
Well, as I am appearing for
There's one more thing that my lord should be, I think we should bring it to my lord's notice. When the advertisement came up for 945, they wanted to carry out exam. So we said that my lord's order is basically screening. And that's why we had gone to CAT and then from that order come here. My lords bylaws at that time stayed the entire appointments against the 945. Subsequently, those people who had taken that exam approached my lords. So my lords said they may fill up 500, but 445 would remain out. But my lords, today, as per their own statement in this affidavit, which is just the previous page from what my lords have seen, page 133, there are about 1,443 teachers who are there who have, according to them, RCI registration which exists. I represent about 300 odd teachers who have both TET and RCI. Both TET and RCI, we are the ones who went to CAT, and then we came here, my lords, before in this particular matter. So, my lords, the state can't take a position which is completely opposite to my lord's direction of 7th of March. They first had to take the teachers who were available, who were qualified, who have served close to 13 years. My lords, it ranges between 13 and whatever, but the maximum that have served is people who have done about 13 years of service on a contractual daily basis. That means these teachers were not even paid for the Saturdays and Sundays. They got paid only for those 24 days, and the summer vacations they were not paid, but they continued so. Today, by that observation which my friend has read, not only are they denying these teachers the opportunity of screening as per my Lord's order of 7th of March, but are now seeking to appoint people freshly recruited and non-suit these people who have been serving for close to 13 years in many cases. My lords, they must first carry out the screening, find amongst us who qualify with TET, RCI active, and I say that with responsibility that most my clients have all TET qualified, they have all the RCI active registration. My lords, it can't be done at our expense, having served for so many years. And that also on a daily contract with no benefits.
Just one more thing before my friend is called upon. Once the candidate in Delhi has already cleared and passed out TET or CTET examination, they should not be subjected to a second examination of DSSSB, what they call it, as a board.
So what is the number of posts identified by Delhi?
What they say is 1443 are contractual teachers working.
1443, you have just now said RCI eligible contractual teachers.
Yeah, Delhi, what they say is,
they are
post is
already
4313. My chart is 4313.
431
sanction post.
Sanction post is 4313.
Yes.
The exact
out of which 1443 are RCI eligible contractual teachers working as per the affidavit.
But
the post available, the vacant post available is 1771 millets.
That's vacant.
Yes, that's
my chart. That's my chart.
1771.
These are the vacant posts with us millets.
Correct, notes. That is correct.
Advertisement was 945.
Yes.
They are not counting the contractual teachers.
No, this is as per the ratio.
1771 are vacant.
Yes.
You have conducted a TET for 945 teachers.
Fresh candidates, not that contractual teachers.
Recruitment.
Not that contractual teachers who are working. It's the fresh candidates.
If Malats, we kindly see the order of 28th of October, Malats had in fact directed the NCT of Delhi to at least appoint 500 teachers and not more than that without the leave of the court, Malats.
So after appointing those 500, the figure is 1771. Which
no, Malats, no. The appointment is yet to be done. So what I'm submitting is, Malats, in two advertisements, in the one published in 2022, it pertained to 364 post Malats. The second advertisement, which was in 2023, that pertained to 545 post Malats. Now, insofar as the first advertisement is concerned, Malats, in view of the Malats order, yesterday the list has been published, Malats. Qua 361, 3 of them are before CAT Malats on certain other issues. So those we have kept on hold. The appointment orders are to be issued by the Education Department Malats. The list came yesterday. So insofar as 361 are concerned, we are already out with the list. The second one, Malats, in pursuance of the second advertisement, which is for 545 posts, Malats, there is a query raised by the board with respect to how the reservation is to be applied, because Malats had directed us that not more than 500. So 361 we have already come up with Malats. The remaining posts, there is a query, how do we implement? Because that was for 500 post Malats.
May I just submit to resolve this issue? The Lordship on 7th of March categorically held that those who are working as contractual teachers have to give priority subject to obviously RCI qualified and TET examination. So my submission is that, my lords, this 1443, if the screening committee finds to be eligible and passed out TET, one should give preference to them instead of calling fresh candidates, my lords. Because these people carry lots of experience. They have been working for 10 to 20 years as contractual teachers and passed out TET, of course, my lords. And obviously subject to screening committee, my lords.
Similar to Uttar Pradesh, madam, why don't you consider these 1443?
So, my lords, if I see the affidavit, my lords, it says RCI registered, but I am not aware whether they are TET qualified.
They are all
TET screening committee is meant for that. I am not meant for that.
I understand. Yes, my lords.
You find out, if you find that out of 1443,
yes,
let us assume 1000 have both RCI and TET.
Yes, my lords.
You can regularize them.
I will seek instructions, my lord.
Then no need for examination.
And so far as one,
they already qualified and passed out TET.
You need to, just 1 minute, sir. You need to verify their documents.
No, my lords, only
They have TET and RCI both.
RCI they have, my lords, because the affidavit
RCI
says.
they have, whether they have TET or not.
Absolutely.
Yes,
So
my lords,
if
we'll
you
do that.
find within 4
The
weeks,
only-
we direct you to
My lords had in
verify the
fact
claims.
My lords had in fact directed the NCT of Delhi to clarify how they were initially appointed and what was the process which was adopted, my lords. So there was, insofar as these contractual teachers are concerned, my lords, no exam was held. This was solely based on the degree marks, my lords, on merit.
Right.
So recruitment process was not through an advertisement.
Maybe, but they have been
I get that.
serviced for more than
I
10
bow down, my
years.
lords. I bow down.
You have continued them,
Yes, my lords.
right? So therefore, first of all, you should
Yes.
consider these 1443.
My lords may pass the direction. In fact, my lords, it would be easier for me to put it to the department. My lords.
Subject to TET pass.
Referred to in the affidavit of 14th October, they shall appear before the screening committee with their credentials. Rashmi, 1443 candidates who are working as contractual teachers.
But may I submit one thing, my lord?
Just referred to in the affidavit dated 14th October 25 of the NCT Delhi, shall present their credentials before the screening committee. If the screening committee finds that they are RCI qualified as well as TET passed, the screening committee shall make appropriate recommendation to
So, my lords, I have one.
government, right? Like the earlier one. Then if anyone is disqualified, reasons may be indicated.
And Lordship may also clarify
It's,
that those who are working as contractual, what they say is they will remain contractual for all times to come. This has to
My
be.
lords, now with the
First, let this exercise be complete. Let out of 1443, let them find out how many of them are qualified. Then we shall consider the question as to whether they continue as contractual or they should be.
just for clarity, my lords.
My lord, we have not
for
been
clarity,
considered.
my
My
lords.
lord. We have not been considered. We are teaching the special schools, my lord, for special children, my lord. 7 schools run by the special social welfare department, my lord. And we were engaged 15 years ago, my lord, in 2010.
This 1443, any particulars are available?
They are for the education department. They were appointed by
right
the
now, my lord,
education
because
department,
the
not by the
officers are
social
not
welfare
here.
department. And our department has been taken over by the education department only in the year
Have you
2000.
filed any application?
I filed the application my lord, for
What is your number?
309548.
Yes, Mr. Amicus, what is your submission with regard to this?
I am not aware of
Social
I
welfare
was
department. We are not TET. We
not
are
aware of I.
You have to give, once you file an application here, you must give it to the Amicus.
We don't have it.
I have supplied my
Is this Delhi, sir?
Delhi.
May also be given a copy, my
My
lords.
lords,
Because we have not
One is
considered.
1443, please go ahead.
I have one more.
My lord, may I specify that
Your
7
prayer will not be considered now unless and until you serve a copy on the Amicus.
Please, my lord. Please.
Right?
are actively pursuing. They must be.
Teaching only the special.
You have TET.
Not TET. At the time, TET was not introduced. No exam. After that, no exam was conducted by the social welfare department.
Very well. We'll consider your case later. First,
Let's,
My lords, just one last observation. Just like with Mr. Rahul Kaushik's clients, there are clients who have been continuously pursuing this, right from the CAT, and they are here before my lords. There are many who may not have come. So at least those who are pursuing this whole issue, they must be given some kind of a priority, my lords. It cannot be that people who are just not inclined and they are, my lords, will take super right over the whole, all others who have been actively pursuing this.
This will be class within class, my lords.
No, it won't be a class within class, but
6 weeks from date, NCT shall file a status report.
Melons, I have one more request, Melons. In view of the earlier order wherein my Melons had in fact permitted us 361, we have already, the DSSB has already come up with the list. It is published yesterday. So the appointment orders will be issued now, my lords, by the Education Department.
361.
Yes, my lords. Because 3 are on hold, my lords. There is litigation going on before CAT, my lords. Age relaxation, and there are other issues. But 361 names are already published.
You have to wait, madam, because 361, and if all these 1443 come out.
I understand, my lords, and this is the reason I said, my lords. My lords, it in fact earlier permitted us. My lords may see that order. My lords, it in fact earlier permitted us to publish the names.
My lord, these 1443 for the general schools, and we are teaching in the special schools, my lord. And there is no test for them.
If we allow you to go ahead with this 361, and all these 1443 plus others are found to be qualified.
May I just say one thing, my lords? Insofar as first list is concerned, at least which is ready, because the second one, my lords,
I would
have
also
not
say
processed.
that should be hold on.
The post would still be vacant, my lords. It would still be vacant.
They will have a
Consider these 1443, thereafter go ahead, madam.
My lords, may I just
Only one thing.
I'm only, my lords.
For the general schools, because their test was conducted only
Why
for
are
the general
you
schools.
making this submission? We have said we will consider your claim only after given a copy.
I'm sorry.
Your Lordship.
Your
May I-
understanding,
May
sir.
I just say one thing? And I leave it to the court. I'll not press further, minutes. Insofar as these names are concerned, even if we add it to 1443 minutes, 361 plus 143, it is 1804. The number, yes, the number of posts which are vacant as on today, my lords.
1771.
Yes. So there are very, very few posts, my lords. All of them may not be TET qualified also. I am only submitting those who have already passed the exam, my lords. And in pursuance of my lord's order, that list has been prepared. My lords may at least permit us to appoint them. That's all I'm submitting. Even
contractual teacher have passed TET.
They will be.
My lord,
Yes.
may I make a submission?
All these 1443 emerge as suitable. How do you deal with them?
My lords,
Fall short of posts.
my lords, even otherwise, my lords, I'm sorry, my lords are actually considering them on equity basis, my lords. Their exams have been conducted, my lords, and these people have.
Working, madam.
I understand, my lords.
They have the qualification, they have first right.
My lords, insofar as all of the submission is being made, my lords, all of them are TET qualified. It's very unlikely, my lords. I leave it to the court, my lords.
The next state of hearing, we direct ENCT Delhi not to appoint any candidate which they, in pursuance of the examination, TET examination, which was conducted for 945 students.
Grateful, madam.
Please wait.
My lords, I had a small request. My lords, I had a small request till the scrutiny committee, my lords, decides. Very well.
First, consider
My lords,
place a report before us, thereafter proceed.
my lords, I had a small request, not about.
Turn of. Lord,
The second advertisement be declared.
Not now. We have stopped the appointment, not now.
West Bengal.
West Bengal will be next day.
next day.
Lord, would your lordship,
I had a small request, my lords.
would your lordship have this next week?
You know, we do not know in which combination we would be sitting.
I understand. But West Bengal is.
Lordship may say West Bengal and Jharkhand next week of it.
Tuesday.
I want
My
the
lords-
next week. Finish it off.
कुछ नहीं है तो ठीक है either with brother Justice Masi or Justice Sharma will start.
My lords, I had a request. If my
Next
lords,
Tuesday. I'm obliged.
my lords, I had a request. If my lords would.
Tuesday week.
And Telangana, my lord, Telangana also.
Tuesday week, Lordship.
Telangana and Punjab.
Bombay.
You are not there.
Bombay High Court. Lords.
My lord.
Lord,
My lords-
Lord,
my
West
lords, I
Bengal.
had a request.
Lord, may I
I'm
suggest
sorry.
this? West
Odisha has been falling through the cracks, my lords.
Lordship may have it on
The
Thursday.
10th, Lord, please. I've been waiting for, last time I was on my legs.
Lord, in West Bengal,
Amicus is not there.
Lord,
next Tuesday.
Lord, may I say this? In West Bengal,
He says he is not there. What can I?
Lordship may have it on 12th, just 2 days after, Thursday.
no, not. Lord, in West Bengal, may I say
12th.
the very little dispute there.
Rishi, 12th.
12th February, Mr. Grover.
Yes. No,
12th,
My lord.
12th February, West Bengal, Kerala, and Mr. Amicus.
My friend has some problem on 12th, I don't know, but I have no issue.
After 14th, my lord.
My sister's
We cannot go on adjourning like this.
Your Lordship, on 17th then, my lords.
No, my lord, only Tuesday. Rishi, don't tell me,
Lord, in West Bengal, there isn't much dispute at all. My learned friend can join, the amicus can join online subject, or his, Lord, or his junior could represent, because between Mr. Grover and I, the compass is very, very narrow.
12th February.
My lords, I had a request. I'm sorry, my lords.